do they eat in the country? The bloom to their cheeks it is bringing, whiles it's a ningin' a tatty a neep, whiles a tatty a neep and a ningin'.
No, we best be careful for we spare about Jeannie.
Well, nobody kens she's gone, like, but nobody kens why.
Well, I ken why. And as if it should help me.
Well, when we first came to know that, he was sick of fine chiel, generous, the life and soul of the Pairty. Syne, after a few years married, he turned into a mean and miserable farmer, sick like a spither. I've been putting off leaving him for years, and I'm glad I'm away from him now.
Man, she's found herself a new man and that.
You're kidding. Well, he wouldn't like that.
No, best keep off it.
Ah, but he's better kenning than they kenning.
Well, I'm not clapping. Oh, here he comes. How do you wish?
Why, I am. Fit like.
It's been better.
So, you're treating us after dinner?
Now that's nae funny. How did you get here anyway?
What bus pass? You go in?
Aye, Jeannie sort of died that out before her flat.
Ah, aye.
Aye, she's aye agreed with that stuff at tax returns, passport.
How did you gain with your passports?
Nay, why? It was our dear.
With all the silly you have.
That's how you don't yourself and they gone chucking it about our way. Ah, she'll be back.
She's got her own place now in a Joanne Morrison's.
Aye, see her here.
And I hear she's teeing up with a new
Wonder why she's getting her own fine.
What do you mean by that? She was getting on fine down at the fair. Been at Stonyhurst our married lives. But she'll be back. Once winter sets in and she's cold at neck.
She wouldn't be cold. I hear she's teeing up with a new
Wonder why? Let's get some mate.
So if it happens now?
You read the menu, then tell away that you would.
Aye.
Then they cook it and he brings it out to you.
Then fit.
You eat it.
Sign your pay.
Say, you leave a tip and get in.
Tap?
About 10% the bill.
I thought we could just split the bill.
I'm not doing that. You two might did a great hulk of stuff and me named Mucklevar. I'll just pay for my own. And I'm not leaving a tip either. These loons, they're £9-10 an hour. Do you give up a feather give me for hours they were a loon? Nothing. I got my keep and that was it.
Wonder why. Let's have a look at the menu.
What on earth is Pairty breed?
It's Peter.
It's a kind of polka dot breed thing for that shit of it.
It's £7.50 for the stuff in a wee coffee hour. £12.50 for fashion chaps. I was here for a bit dinner and they'd buy the whole restaurant.
The prices are real reasonable again.
I'm starting to regret this. I'll maybe just have that toast. £12 for toast.
But you gentlemen sick of the day?
Well, the only gentleman here would be myself, and I can fit you call these two. I was just looking at your menu. That rare selection of stuff you've got. And I bet you're a recht good cook as well.
Nah, I dinna mock meals.
Now, dinna be modest. Your face looks real familiar to me. What would your name be? Can I spear?
Me?
Okay, may I spear?
I've caught me, you gulpin.
Very fit.
God, you're sick of old-fashioned chill.
Now, less of the chill. As a gentleman, I'm into you go.
But you'd have ken me. I ken you anyway. You was Ian Mucky for Stonyhurst.
It's a fit fair now, you fair.
Damn nae fair fairin'. I'm fetch.
But I'd never thought you were a tunes-up. Now, I'll hear your corn skink, and I'll hear your fish and chips and all. The prices are real reasonable.
Same for me.
And I'll have the Peter breed with cheese.
It's better. Okay.
Is that all you wanted?
Now, come on, Jam. I'm paying you, Ken. It's the elky day you get to with your best pals.
Well, fuck it. I'll have the same as that.
Now, sit yourself down here, mate, and steady yourself in your writing.
Well, mate, you're the sick and a boozy next. So you're having 3 of the Scotland skit and 3 of the fish suppers and it went below.
The rare quite not is. No wedding ring.
Thanks for that, Ian. I'm fearful. I'll get a tip, see you paying for nothing.
Now, there's no need for that, man. I've got the tip right here.
Wait, you can't add that.
Well, cheerio, mate. We'll be back next week, eh, lads?
All right.
But a man, sick of fine cheer, generous, and life and soul of the party.
So all you young wives in the audience, If you want the joy bells to keep ringing, love on the rope, I and feed them each day on a tatty and eep and a dingin'.